Hi, this is Scott Murray. Welcome to the Daily Economic Market Shout for Halloween, October 31st, 2022. It's great having you with me here today, and we have a busy week ahead with employment, non-farm payrolls on Friday, expected to be around 200,000, which is a really pretty good number considering the amount of restraint that the Fed is putting on the employment situation and on the economy. At the same time, we're looking for ISM. That should come in roughly near contraction territory, but just a little bit over as we continue to see concerns about new orders. And then, of course, the Fed, all eyes on them for Wednesday, 75 basis points. Expectations for December between 50 and 75. What does that mean? Actually, if we get a 50 or we get hints of a 50 in December, which really wouldn't be surprising given the amount of hikes that we've seen and its impact, not just on the economy, but on the marketplace. We have to go back to 94 to see these types of moves in the short term, and they are hindering the financial markets. So the Fed has to be weary of that as we move forward. So that would be a slowing down of the tightening. Once slowing down starts, they usually stop pretty quickly after that. But one thing I do want to mention this morning is China. We have the official reading came in weaker than expected, which is a decline from 50 down under 49. That's a contraction territory, and it does highlight their issues continuing with COVID and the COVID lockdowns. We've heard anecdotal evidence that, like, the largest supplier to Apple has had to change their operations due to those COVID elements, and so that will continue to percolate through the economy, not helping in Europe. The European area, the broader number for inflation was 10.7%. Expectations were 10.3%. That does show that inflation continues to be problematic, even though we're seeing elements of weakness in the economy. And finishing up, we see the winds of political change, but also the narrowness in Brazil's election. Return of the previous president comes but very narrowly, as we continue to see a divided government there and electorate, and a divided electorate, particularly throughout the whole world. This is Scott Murray for the Daily Economic Market Shout. Thank you for joining me.